Is your mind running a million miles a minute? Maybe your heart feels like it's racing, or you just have this underlying buzz of stress. What if I told you that the most powerful tool to calm it all down is already with you, and you don't need anything else? It's your breath. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to guide you in using it to reset your entire nervous system. All you have to do is press play and follow my voice. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. You can close your eyes or simply soften your gaze and lower it. There is no perfect way to breathe here. No right or wrong. Your only job is to gently guide your attention back to the sound of my voice and the sensation of your breath whenever your mind wanders. And it will wander. That's completely normal and okay. Let's begin by taking one deep, cleansing breath, breathing in slowly through your nose, and as you exhale through your mouth, just let go with a sigh. Good. Now allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Bring your full awareness to the physical sensation of breathing. Notice the cool air as it enters your nostrils and the slightly warmer air as it leaves. Feel your chest and belly gently rise on the inhale and softly fall on the exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now let's gently lengthen the breath. We'll breathe in for a count of 4 and out for a count of 4. Breathing in, 2, 3, 4. And breathing out, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Now, let's try making the exhale just a little bit longer to send an even stronger signal of safety to your body. We'll breathe in for 4 and out for 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like that. In, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And continuing in your own time, following the gentle rhythm, in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your mind is becoming quieter. your body more still. Slowly release the counting. Let your breath be natural again. Gently begin to bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Notice the surface supporting you. Carry this feeling of calm with you for the rest of your day. You can return to this simple rhythm anytime you need to find your center. Before a meeting, in your car, or when you're having trouble sleeping or in pain. If this brought you a moment of peace, I'd love to hear about it. Leave a comment below and let me know one word that describes how you feel now. Thank you for meditating with me. Your breath is always with you.